Hello YouTube. Today we'll be looking at the Thermaltake ToughPower XT 775 watts. Now that's the box and we are going to unbox it. Little info on power supplies. When you're building a PC, try not to skimp on the power supply. This power supply I purchased because I read a decent review of it. And before I open this, I'll show you what power supply I previously had. Not on my gaming rig, but I had this one, which was a Alpine. It's 500 watts. Now this power supply is around about 20 British pounds or cheaper. I've seen them even for £15 for 500 watts, that is. You might be thinking you're getting value for money, but if you've got a Sandy Bridge build or a high-end gaming rig, media center build, I wouldn't trust my expensive equipment and graphics card on a £15 power supply now, would I? In comparison, this is probably about 3 times more heavier than this. I mean, this is extremely light, and I'm not saying that it's weight that puts quality, but weight is an indication of quality. Anyway, back to the power supply. Let's have a look at the back. It's got some diagrams here. The first picture you see there is solid state gaming grade Japanese capacitors. It shows you a picture of the component. And we have, it's got like 3 LEDs on the power supply unit, and it's got 3 modes in it, which is standby, signal and temperature. It's 12 volt in one rail, and it's got a fan delay cool technology, which allows the fan to continue to operate even though you shut down your PC. The fan will go on to cool. Right, now let's unbox it. It's got a C in here, so we have to take this off. I'm just going to cut it off. There you go. Right. You have instruction manuals in all of these different languages. Well, hey. And you've got this warranty sheet paper. I'm assuming these are all the power supply cables coming in a very nice sort of wallet. I can smell that new smell from it, if you know what I'm talking about. It's got a whole selection of cables. Shall we open it? Okay, I need the scissors for this one. What have we got here? Right, it's all labelled. This cable goes to a video card cable, and it's a modular power supply. This one's direct to the power supply unit to your board. You've got another graphics card cable for dual graphics card or games that requires 2 graphics card with 2 power adapters, and you've got a cable that gives 2 SATA power ports. You've got another cable that gives 3 power. What was that? 1, 2, 3, 4. You got one other cable that gives 4 SATA power ports. So that's good. You got a port that gives you floppy. I don't know who would want that. And 2 Molex connectors for you old school people. And another cable, Molex connectors. The actual unit itself, we'll come to. We've still got another box here that says power supply cord. Well, that's handy. The cheaper end, they don't even give you a cable. Okay. Well, it's got a Thermaltake sticker. Become a fan. power unit, nicely wrapped, very compact. Sort of open it. And here we are. It's got a sort of greyish gun sort of colour look. Feels like quality to me, if you know what quality feels like. It's got the fan right here, obviously. It's got a nice Thermaltake badge. And here's the LED indicators. And here's the specs. If you want to pause it. And here's your connections at the front. It's all modular, so it's all sort of plug in, like clip, 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 and your job done. Right, now that's a quick overview and unboxing of the ToughPower XT Thermaltake 775 watts. Specs are at the end as usual, and please subscribe. Thank you very much.